I've got an easy, fresh summer recipe for you today. Stay tuned. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome to the Organixx channel, where together we get really creative in the kitchen and bring together the healing properties of real food and powerful supplements. Today we're going to be making a nectarine cucumber relish. In your food processor, add 2 chopped up medium-sized nectarines, which is about 1 1/4 cup, or you could substitute this with peaches. Either one would be really delicious in this recipe. 1 cup of chopped up tomatoes. I'm using baby tomatoes. And did you know that tomatoes actually help protect the kidneys, and they can also help detoxify the body? 1 cup of chopped cucumber, which was about 1/2 of an English cucumber. And cucumbers are really high in nutrients and water content, which makes them the perfect food for summertime. 1/2 of a cup of fresh cilantro, or it would be about 1/4 of a cup if you packed it down. And cilantro has such a wonderful fresh flavor, but it also helps detoxify the body from heavy metals. 2 tablespoons of heart-healthy olive oil. 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar, which helps regulate the blood sugar levels. And I was also reading this morning that it can also help with asthma. Fascinating, which I can have from time to time. So powerful. 1 chopped up shallot bulb, which is about 1 tablespoon. And shallots are excellent at fighting off infections in the body. 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper for healthy blood circulation. 1/2 of a teaspoon of either pink Himalayan or sea salt. Both contain really necessary trace minerals. 1/4 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Last, I have 3 drops of lemon essential oil. This is optional. I'm going to add it because it's really high in vitamin C, which can help support your immune system. Pulse all of your ingredients together until it reaches your desired consistency. And that's it. That's how easy it is, and it is so beautiful. Look at this when I pour it out. So again, you just want to process it until it's your desired consistency. You can have it a little bit more chunky or a little bit smaller pieces and mixed up together. It's totally up to you. I'm going to stick mine in the refrigerator for just a little bit, maybe about 30 minutes before I'm ready to serve it. And then we will give it a taste. Okay, you can serve this relish on top of chicken, fish, a salad, vegetables. Really, the list is endless. I'm just going to taste it on a cucumber for now. This is so fresh, so delicious. This is the perfect summer recipe. I hope you give it a try because it's also super healthy for you. Take care. Let me know if you try it and let me know how it goes for you. Thanks for joining me today. Hey, I'm here every week with a new healthy and tasty recipe, so be sure to subscribe to our channel, and it'll help keep you inspired in the kitchen. I'll see you next week.